Hey, my virtual friends. Wish I could be seeing you face to face today, but I can't, and that's all right. Let's talk about our new project. All right, have you ever heard of an upside down drawing? And you might be wondering, why are we going to be doing an upside down drawing? That's crazy. Well, an upside down drawing is a way to trick your brain into drawing what you see and not what you know. Okay? Just because we know an eye looks like an almond, it doesn't mean that every single eye looks like an almond. So that's why we try to draw things upside down. So today we are going to do some pop art upside down drawings. I tried to attach the video into this video and ended up being way too long and got cut off. So I'm actually going to attach the video separately just so that you can have an idea of what exactly pop art is. Your objective is you are going to grid and draw a pop art image upside down, complete the work, and it will be in full color. This is all going to be done in your sketchbook. So today, you are going to download one of the pop art images that I've put on this assignment, and then if possible, print it. If you can't print it, you can still look at it on your Chromebook, but it would be a little bit easier if you were able to print it and have it next to you. Using a ruler, you're going to grid your paper exactly as the grid on your image. Then, drawing it upside down, you're going to do box by box. So let's take a look at some of these steps. Once your layout is complete, you're going to erase all your grid lines. If you have a Sharpie, you can go over all the pencil lines. And if you have watercolor, feel free to use watercolor, or you can use markers, pastels, drawing pencils, whatever you prefer. So step one, over here to the left, you need to gather your materials. We've got our sketch pad, our ruler, our pencil. And what you're going to do is you're going to come over here. See this center one? You're going to measure the width of your paper. For this one, since this is a 9 by 12, half of it was 4.5. So what I did is I put a mark at 4.5 at the top, a mark at 4.5 at the bottom, and then you can see over here on my right, I lined up my ruler and did one line coming all the way down. Here we go. Same thing on the other side, on the height, right? So I measured top to bottom. It was 6 because this is a 9 by 12. And I went ahead and brought that line going straight ahead. So this is how you can divide your paper into 4 equal squares. It doesn't look like 4 equal squares because I have the perforated edge right here, but I promise you this is 4 equal squares. Now, some of you may have like an additional line coming through these, and that's okay. All you have to do is just measure and then divide by 2. So unfortunately, there is math in art. So once you get to this step, then you can take a look at your image and do box number 1, and then on your image, box number 1. And you just kind of bounce your eye back and forth, putting in all of the lines, and you just see how they fall within this box, right? And then you're just going to move over to the next box and put all the lines and see how they fall within this box. So I hope this helps. Please let me know if you have any other questions or concerns.